Made it. My father was a welder at the Navy Yard, up on the North Atlantic where the winters come down hard. After work you get to drinking, sometimes you got a little rough. Most nights he'd have his fill, sometimes you can't get enough. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. Broken homes, wrecked cars, scars and welding burns. Keep a bottle under the seat, hard enough to make you cough. Sometimes you need a little something to knock the edges off. And I swore I'd never stay here, I used to dream a lot. Now I can't remember what it is that I was dreaming of. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. Broken homes, wrecked cars, scars and welding burns. Take it down to Lee's mill pond to watch the August sun on her brown skin. I promised I would take her away, she believed in me back then. Now there's a wife and a kid and a dresser drawer filled with pocket tees. Little holes burn in each one where the good shirts used to be. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. Broken homes, wrecked cars, scars and welding burns. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. Broken dreams, wrecked lives, scars and welding burns.